Oh my god. Sorry guys, I have already fucking written 5 fucking paper, but the recording fucking stopped out of no fucking way. Artistic doesn't fucking record the second fucking part of this fucking vid. Sorry for swearing so fucking much. No. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, we have fucking be careful. Okay. Here. I'll explain again the self-progressive ends or numbers. Now, here we got a 1. You know? There are 1 ones. Because, 1 1. And let's write that. 1 1. And there are 2 ones. 1 2 if you can count. So let's write that. 2 ones. Now on this there are 1 ones and 1 2s. Cool. In here there are 1 2 3 ones and 1 2s. Now this is a bit of terminology. This is the amount of number. This is the constant, like the 1. And this is the amount of number, like the 3. Now, A can equal, it can be like here it's 1 and 1. But C cannot equal another C in a perfect world. Only in a perfect world though. Here. I'm actually quite thankful that the recording stuff, because I think this would be a pain for you. I mean, I had a lot of fun, talking to you guys about my sex life, good stuff. Let's generalize this, everything should be generalized. N has 1 N. Oh my god, and there are 1 ones and 1 N's. You may be like, wait, how do we know that N is not 1? And why don't we just write it as 2 ones? And that's right. This is a bit of spoilers, but that's it, right? N is not equal to 1, because if it would become 2 ones. You're right. No. And then we have 3 ones and 1 N. If we try, we eliminate the 3. Here we have 2 ones, 1 3, and 1 N. It's very simple to fact check this, only 4 digits, 1 technically not a digit, but still. Now we have 3 1, it's yes. Here we have something special, that's why I'll mention it. Here we have 2 2. Maybe not, why is that special, Micho? Well, because 2 2 is equal to 2 2. Because it has 2 2s. So it keeps itself, a hold of itself. And you can notice, you see 2 2 2 2. It stops for a while, but 2 2 and 2 2 and 2 2. I mean, don't look at this, last 2. They're spoilers. Now. And here we have 4 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, 1 4 1, that's pretty obvious. 3 1s, here, 3 2s, 1 bottom searching for the 2s, 1 3, 1 4 1. 4 1s, and here we get to 3 1s. I mean, if you want, you can pause the vid. So yeah, I won't bother explaining this yet again. 2 1s, 2 2s, 3 3s, 1 4s, 1 9. Yeah, and this variation of the recording, I forgot to mention, this is, an update on an update on an update. Because this is like a hypo idea, now I'm like re-re-re-revamping it. Yep. No. And this number, it leads to itself. Look, 3 1s. It has 3 1s, 2 2s. It has 2 2s, 3 3s. 1 2 3, yeah. 1 4, 1 4, and 1 N. 1 N. which cannot equal 1, 3, 2, or 4. I mean, if you didn't get, I don't know what you didn't get. I explained it fucking clearly, mate. Yeah, I didn't mention what this is. You know, as 2, 2, 2 is stable, 3, 3, 3 is also stable, because kinda, you know, it's very unstable actually. As 3, 3 is, which leads to 2, 3, and so on. Meaning 1, 2, 3, 3 3s, which leads to 2 3s. Yeah, so only 2, 2 is stable. Or whatever. I just had a brain fart. You know. Now, let's get into some other business. The actually fun part. Kind of. Not really that fun. So I got 1, 0. Oh my god, let's just do the old tactic like I did for this paper. Or used to do in the other recording that you never got to see. I'm sorry, I'm still mad. I hope that be. That was hard work explained to you guys. Making sure your tiny brains got it. Now this switch. Let's get something like iconic for like 3112 or 3113 even. Now, you may say this has 2 1s. You know, 1 2 and 1 3. Obviously, Mister, why you were testing us with this? This is way too easy for us. Well, what came before this number? Well, we know it had 3 1s and 1 2. And you know, we know 1 and 2, and you know 2. So we knew 2 is the originator of this number. Wow, amazing. Now, what is the originator of our amazing, self-replicating, self-producing, self-reproducing, self-progressive, self-amazing, self-autonomous number? Well, that is a bit of a complex topic, and that's what we can't cover today. That's where part 1 of this shitty video ends. Sadly, mates, and leave it a comment if you didn't get anything, because I'm really curious what the fuck you didn't get. Really, it's so fucking simple. So, no. And in part 2, I'll explain 1, 1, 2, and 3, and 4 equal. You know, because we know, and yeah, whatever. You know, I explained it in that video. That was a fucking pain in the ass to bother with. No. Our amazing self-autonomous number is 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 1, n. Yep. Now, no, the number has 3 1s, 2 2s, 3 3s. Actually, it should be in the other way. Whatever, you know, this is our inverse line. Oh my god, I did it like for you guys, what and 1 4 and 1 n. Oh, fucking, yeah, sorry. I'm as stupid as you guys. We should take them, you know, inversely, not conversely. Yep, so now, let's read what the other number had. It had 1 1s, it had 1 2s, it had 2 3s, 3 3s and 4 n's. Wait, what does it mean to have 4 n's in God's fucking sake? Well, it means to have 4 fully adjustable numbers. In my opinion, this is not fully confirmed, they're like imaginative numbers, you know. To have one more than 1 n is like, you know, it's very speculative, in my opinion, whether you should have it or not. But still, we're not to the very strange stuff, so just drop yourselves. We got 1 1, 2 1 2s, 2 3s, and 3 3s. Oh my god, whatever, this is, yeah. I wrote it wrong, sorry guys. I'm fucking, you know, brain-lating. And 4 n's. Can you fucking focus, mate? Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 n's, and n. And what does this n connect with? It's just with itself. We don't know what it is. Like, let's give a simpler example of this, because, you know, I was very confused with this the first time. For example, what does 4, 3... Let's give simpler numbers, because guys are stupid. You know, 1, 2, 3. What is the predecessor of this number? Well, we know it had 1, 2. But 3... What? How? Where did it come from? Well, we write the omega imaginary number omega. So we know it had 2, and then boom, boom, boom. And those very imaginative numbers here don't exist. I mean, they don't exist from whatever, you get what I mean. So there are n omegas. What does n mean though? And what does n omega mean? Well, whenever you know, we write 3 ones. That is 1, 1, 1. Or in other words, 1 preceded 3 times. So it is n preceded n times. And n preceded omega times. And in this case, it's n preceded 3 times. And that's how we write it from now on, because I'm sorry, but n's do not fucking matter one fucking bit. You know, they're there just to fucking please the eye pleasers. You know, from here we got a 2. We've got a 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. And a n. I said I'm like that, but you know, they're pretty fucking important. And n, oh. And this is it. I'm not gonna expand it anymore, because you see the 3 trees are breathing like rabbits, as the people say. You might be like, well, let's reverse this to see if we actually get the number. I mean, you know, if this is truly the base for that number, let's reverse it. Well, let's in fact ipso factum do that. Here's where the real brainfucks emerge. If you thought, you know, if you've clicked off the video by now, because you thought, oh fuck that, he's combining numbers in reverse with imaginary numbers, and things get real funky now. And because remember this rule, for a constant cannot equal another constant. Now look at this! Constants. 3 fucking times is equal to the same. Wow. Okay. And we need to actually look on the above layer. Here. Look, 1, 2 times. Okay, so let's get this ungodly number, unholy. 2, 3, 3. How many trees? A lot. Another trees. Whoop. And fuck you. And proceed n times. And mega times, which is technically non-existent. I mean, we can remove it, but you know, it's pretty sick. Now, look at this. I mean, in order for this to be written this way, you know, we will have to separate like this, because then it will not be true. Yeah, makes sense to me. And there are 3 trees here, 3 ends here. This apparently, yeah, makes sense. And n times is n times, and n all times is n of times. Just simplified. So there's truly, a barrier here. If you want it to be true, we have to look at this as two separate things, but they're also one thing. Yeah. Fuck me, I invented all this. I fucking told this all over. So now, we know what we get because, we've got it already. We got 1, 2, 3, 3. And then we got 3, 3, 3, n. And then we got n, n, on, n, yeah. Then we got the BS. And, oh, yeah, and we do have to write the O in them. Yeah. Oh, my ass hurts so much. And now, it's really confusing, but 1, 1, 1, 2, 2 3s. And on this side, we got 3 3s. However, 4 n's. And 1, yes. On this side, we have got 3 1s, 2 2s, 1 3. I'm sorry. Here we got 2. Oh no, we've got 1 1. Yeah. 1 1, 2 3s, 1 4, 1 n, 1 yes. Now, you remember what I said about these being as expungible as your mama, because they are. I mean, let's fact check. We've already done the calculations. We don't need to fucking, do all the this equals that, this equals this, Yeah, you know how it is. So let's check. Is there a thing that begins with 1 1? Fuck. I expected there to be 1. I mean, it's close. Yeah, it's close. Yep. Sadly, we have to proceed this side. 2 2 1 2 2 2 3. And this is what the hell? 4 1s. Wait, yeah, 5 1s. No fucking way, mate. Yeah, because this is expungible. Fuck that. Nobody cares about you. Yeah, 4 1s. Ah, sorry, did you fucking see any of that? Yeah, this is expungible, so this becomes 4 1s. It's expungible after a certain amount of steps, but those steps are a bit overdue, to be honest, even. 2 3s, no, only 1 3. 1 fuck 4. And 1 oh. Oh, fucking. I mean, that is non-expungible though. So let's see. Does this occur anywhere in our cheat sheets? If we may, we have a 4 1 1. The next one is a 3 though. Do you have a 4 1 1 3? Fuck no. So therefore we have to continue to one more step, which is pretty sad. What the hell did I write here? Was I drunk? And I was just sad. Okay. What the hell is happening with this? 1 1 4 2s and 1 3. Yeah, cool. And this is 3 1s, which is kind of cool. You're getting closer to the goal. 3 1s, 1 3. Oh yeah. 2 4s. 1 yeah, 2 4s. What the fuck? And 1. Now this should occur somewhere. This is pretty common. This is my eyes. In your guys, it's like, what the fuck do you mean common? 3112 24. Yay, fucking no, man. 3112. Even that. Oh, fuck me, I don't wanna write this BS anymore. Ah, fuck me. Yeah, this fucking borderline. This. Oh, my ass hurts so much. Wait, they're actually 4 ones. Oh, I'm fucking going sleepy mode. Did I make another mistake? I don't wanna fucking record this again, mate. I mean, fuck me, I don't wanna. If I made a mistake, sorry guys. I mean, you guys already in a fucking constant state? Oh my god, I'm gonna die. 4 ones. No, fuck, thank you. So this is 3 ones. 1 2 1 3 1 4. And this is 3 ones. 1 2. Oh my god, finally getting into some 2s, some sexy old 2s. What else? Yeah, 1 3. 2 4s and 1 N. Please tell me there's another fucking repeat of this. I don't wanna bother. 3 1 1. Wait a second. Whatever, if you know, you know. 1 2 3 4. Ones. 1 2. 2 3s. And again 1 4. And here it is 1 2 3 4 ones. 2 2s. Yay. 1 3, oh no, 2 3s. Fuck you. You broke my 2 pals. 1 4 and 1 and. Oh my god, I wanna die. 4 1 2 2 3 1 4 1 and fuck you. I mean, it's basically that, isn't it? Yeah, in the end. So now guys, I'm gonna fucking sadly gotta explain to you why. So I can end this faster. I didn't want to explain to you guys, but you know the success are kind of fun, right? 3 4 1 1 2 2 3 1 4 is in the end gonna be equal to 4 1 1 2 2 3 1 4 1 N. You might be like, what the fuck, Micho? Listen to me. This 1 N. We know it cannot equal any of these, right? Yeah, that makes sense. We already discussed it cannot be 1, 2, 3 or 4. Now, listen to me, you little bitch. In the end, here's going to be stick to 1 5. Oh, and this N will be a 5. This one transform it to 1 5 because there will be a 1 5. I don't know when it generates. I don't want to fucking find out. Therefore, for this, where was it? 4 1 1 2 2 3 1 4 1 N, which is over here. It generates into loop 1, and this BS probably also generates into loop 1. I don't want to check it, but very probably, or either, this is self actually, and this is self-sufficient. This is L, which is another, you know what I mean. This is either S or L. What is L1? S1 is what we define this. Maybe like, what is L1? Well, it is what equals when the n is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, it is the fucking same thing. I was as shocked as you. Now, you're gonna see what a thing is in another episode. But I'm gonna give you a slight hint. Now, for you fucking curious hunters. Yeah, it's a self-sufficient loop. Now, that is not a fucking true loop, by the way. This is not true. It's a